Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mubashra and I am an MS Chemistry student at the University of Management and Technology, Sialkot. Today I feel privileged to present my review on the fascinating topic examining the 6G revolution from basic studies to practical uses and beyond. This presentation will delve into the transformative potential of 6G technology, its key advancements, challenges, and how it aims to redefine connectivity globally. Let's explore how this groundbreaking technology will help the future of communication and innovation. The first point is about the abstract of the review article. The 6G network is the next big step in wireless communication. It builds on 5G and aims to be faster, more reliable, and more efficient. This new technology will enable future applications such as virtual healthcare, ultra high speed internet, and sustainable digital systems. By using advanced tools like artificial intelligence, quantum communication, and smart surfaces, 6G promises to improve global connectivity and help solve major societal challenges such as better healthcare and reducing environmental impacts. The second point is about introduction. I will summarize the introduction in some key points. So, wireless networks have evolved significantly over time from 1G of voice calls to 5G for high-speed internet. However, as technology advances, 5G is no longer enough. 6G takes connectivity to a new level, offering ultra high speeds, very low delays, global coverage including remote areas using land, air, and underwater systems. It uses groundbreaking technologies like terahertz communication for faster data rate or transfer, AI to make networks smarter and self adapted. It also helps in quantum communication for better security. 6G also focuses on bridging the digital gap, providing internet to underdeveloped areas and being environmentally friendly. It supports incredible advancements such as self-driving vehicles, remote surgeries, virtual and augmented reality experiences. Research groups worldwide such as in China, in Finland, and in North America, as these are collaborating to create a unified 6G system. A very important topic about technologies of 6G. I'll summarize it as follows. 6G depends on advanced technologies to meet the demand for faster, smarter, and more reliable networks. These technologies are designed to solve our current limitations in speed and capacity, enable new uses like smart healthcare, advanced transportation, and immersive entertainment. The first technology is about terahertz communication. So, what is it? Terahertz communication uses extremely high frequencies from zero point 0.1 to 10 terahertz to transfer data at ultra fast speeds, reaching up to 1 terabit per second. This is much faster than 5G. What can it do? Enable new applications like real time holograms, super clear video streamings, help in areas like healthcare and security, but it also has some challenges. These signals don't travel far and are weakened by air and obstacles. These devices that use terahertz communication need to be more efficient. The next point is about artificial intelligence and machine learning. What is it? Artificial intelligence and machine learning are technologies that help 6G networks become smarter and self-adaptive. They allow the network to make decisions, solve problems, and improve in performance in real time. They can optimize the performance, that is, AI can manage network traffic, assign resources, and reduce energy efficiently. Predict, predict and fix problems. AI can detect faults early and prevent failures, saving time and costs. It can enhance security as AI can detect unusual activities to prevent cyber attacks. It supports critical applications like low latency AI powered systems as they are used in telemedicine, in autonomous vehicles, in precision agriculture. Okay, the next point is about reconfigurable intelligent surfaces, abbreviated as RIS. So, what can RIS do? RIS is a technology that improves wireless signals. It uses surfaces made of programmable materials that can control and enhance how signals travel. It can boost signal strength, it adjusts signals to make them stronger and reduce interference. It saves energy, provides flexibility, and it also have some challenges as it needs to be better in its design to work with less energy and high precision. The next point is about security and quantum communication. It involves making 60 networks extremely secure using quantum technology, which is based on the law of physics. Why is it important? With so many connected devices, 60 must ensure data is safe and cannot be hacked. So, what can it do? It can protect sensitive data. It is useful for the areas of like healthcare and finance and national security. The next point is about integrated sensing capabilities and edge computing. What is it? These are the 60 networks, or these are the capabilities that can act like sensors to gather environmental data. For example, about weather, about traffic or pollution. Edge computing means processing data closer to the source, that is your device or a nearby station. Why is it important? Because it reduces delays in data processing, saves bandwidth by not sending all data to faraway servers. What can it do? It can manage the disasters, traffic and agriculture, support critical applications like remote surgery, self-driving cars, smart factories. The challenges it faces is that it requires advanced AI to process data locally and efficiently. The next point is a very important point of VLC, visible light communication. So, what is it? VLC is a technology that uses visible light from LED bulbs to transmit data. It combines lighting and communication. It works as follows: LED lights blink very quickly to send data. It contains a receiver that acts like a sensor, picks up the light, and decodes the data. The question is, what can it do? It can increase the speed data transfer. That means it can reach up to the speed over 500 Mbps. It secures communication as light cannot pass through walls, so VLC is harder to hack. It is useful in sensitive areas, for example, in hospitals, in airplanes, and it has a dual purpose, that is, provides light and data transfer at the same time. It has some applications in LIFI, also called as Li-Fi, a super fast internet connection using light. It has also an application in underwater communication as light works better than radio signals underwater. The next point is about blockchain technology for decentralized network administration. What is it? Blockchain is a secure, decentralized way to manage and store data. It creates a transparent record of all activities in the network. Why is it important? As 60 networks will have billions of connected devices, making centralized systems difficult to manage. Blockchain allows devices to work together securely without needing a central authority. The question arises, what can it do? It can improve the security. It can enhance the trust. It also has some applications in streamline operations like IoT devices as it manages in smart homes and cities, in healthcare, and in supply chains. The next point is about ultra high speed 60 network channel coding technology. So, what is it? As we know that channel coding is a method used to ensure reliable and fast data transfer by detecting and correcting errors that occur during communication. For 60, new coding methods are being developed to handle extremely high speed and low delays. Why is it important? 60 needs to deliver ultra fast data up to 1 terabit per second with minimal errors. It ensures reliable communication even in tough conditions like crowded networks or in weak signals. The question arises, what are the key technologies in channel coding? The first one is to transform domain free coding, as it optimizes how data is sent to reduce power use, and increase efficiency. Use advanced techniques like hybrid beamforming, dynamic power allocations, which means distributing energy smartly. Let's talk about LDPC codes, a type of error correcting code that reduces the complexity of decoding without sacrificing accuracy, which makes communication faster and more energy efficient. Okay, it is ideal for the applications like holographic communication, virtual reality, autonomous vehicles, etc. The next point is about SWNC, which can be abbreviated as sliding window network coding. Okay, so it improves the reliability and reduces delays in real time communication like disaster management, critical surgeries, and in deep learning in channel coding, as it uses AI to adapt to changing network conditions, making data. A very important topic arises, applications of 6G. The first application is about applications in healthcare and medicine. What can 6G do for healthcare? 6G will connect advanced technologies like wearables, sensors, and AI to improve medical services. Real time monitoring devices like smartwatches or biosensors can track your health 24 by 7 and send alerts if something goes wrong. Global data sharing. Doctors and researchers around the world can share real time data to speed up research and respond to pandemics. The next point is about identification and management of cancer, as it is also related to the healthcare. 6G will revolutionize cancer care by making diagnosis faster and treatment more precise, as it makes sure the early detection, as it has advanced imaging. 60 power terahertz imaging can detect tumors early, even at a molecular level. Next point is about personalized treatment in identification and management of cancer. Continuous data from sensors and AI tools will help doctors create custom treatment plans based on person's unique needs, which means that THC imaging allows for cancer diagnosis without painful procedures. The next point is about urban infrastructure and smart cities. What are smart cities and how will 6G contribute? Smart cities use technologies to make life easier, safer, and more efficient. 6G will provide the backbone for these innovations. The first point is about intelligent energy control. Autonomous vehicles can communicate with roads, traffic lights, and other vehicles in real time to prevent accidents and reduce traffic jams. Urban monitoring. Sensors powered by 6G will trap air and water quality. It will track noise levels, traffic flow. What about public safety? AI driven surveillance systems can detect suspicious activities or emergencies. Drones with high resolution cameras can assist in disaster management or society. The next point is about intelligent energy control. Okay, so what is it? 6G will support smarter energy systems that adapt to demand and use energy efficiently. How does it work? Dynamic energy management, as smart grids will distribute electricity where it is needed most, reducing waste. Renewable energy optimization and real time monitoring. Why is it important? 6G powered energy systems will lower costs, reduce environmental impacts, and help fight climate change. The next point is about monitoring and public safety. In this point, 60 will we will study that how 60 will enhance public safety by enabling advanced surveillance and emergency response systems. As we know that the AI driven surveillance systems can detect unusual activities such as accidents or threats and alert authorities immediately. Drones with cameras and sensors can provide real time updates during disasters like floods or fires. The next point is about observation of the environment. What is it? 60 will use sensors and AI to monitor environmental factors like air quality, water pollution, and noise levels. It will help in pollution control as real time data will help governments create policies to reduce air and water pollution. The next point is the immersion, entertainment, and media. What is it? 60 will completely transform how we experience entertainment by making it more interactive and realistic. How will it help? Holographic communication, like we know real time 3D interaction, will feel like you are physically present, great for virtual meetings and gaming. The next point is about manufacturing and industrial automation, and we can also say about augmented and virtual reality. Ultra fast 6G networks will allow life like experiences in gaming, education, and in virtual tourism. Global inclusivity. 6G will make these experiences accessible to more people, no matter where they live. The next point is about manufacturing connectivity worldwide and closing the digital gap. What is it? 6G will bring fast internet to every corner of the world, including remote and underdeveloped areas. The question is, how does it help? As it has an universal access. By combining satellite, aerial, and ground networks, even rural areas will get high speed internet. In education and healthcare, 6G will support teleeducation, telemedicine, making these services available to undes- undeserved communities. Okay, the next point is about public safety and disaster management. What is it? 60 will improve how we respond to emergencies and manage disasters, saving lives and reducing images and damages. How does it help? It has early warnings. Sensors can detect earthquakes, floods, or hurricanes and send alerts in real time. What is AI powered response? AI will analyze data during emergencies to make better decisions and deploy resources quickly. What drones and robots do? Equipped with 60, drones can assess damage and assist rescue teams in. Okay, the next point is about interplanetary communication and space exploration. 60 will help us communicate seamlessly across space, which is critical for future space exploration missions. It will provide fast and reliable connections between spacecraft, ground stations, and even interplanetary probes. What are the key benefits? Real time data sharing, remote operations, and high security. Why it matters? It opens up possibilities for exploring planets, monitoring our solar systems, and even studying space phenomena in the ways we never could before. Robotics and AI. What it means. 60 will enhance how robots and AI work by allowing faster decision making and precise operations, even in the complex environments. What are the key benefits? Better collaboration, it's improved navigation in advanced predictive abilities. Why it matters? From helping in medical surgeries to operating in factories or disaster zones, robots with 6G will be faster, smarter, and safer. The next point is about computer brain interfaces, BCI. What it means, BCIs allow direct communication between human brain and computers. With 6G speed and accuracy, this connection becomes more efficient and responsive. What are the key benefits? It has benefits in healthcare, in enhanced experiences, for example, in gaming or in virtual reality. It has a cognitive support. as it assists in the treatments for neurological conditions such as helping restore mobility for paralyzed patients. Why it matters. This technology could dramatically improve the quality of life for individuals with disabilities and open up new ways for humans and machines to work together. What are the opportunities and challenges in the development of 6G? First, discuss the challenges. What are the limitations of technology? The first point is about frequency spectrum utilization. What it means. 6G plans to use terahertz frequencies, which are high frequency signals. These frequencies allow for extremely fast data transfer. The challenge. THZ signals have some drawbacks. They don't travel very far. They lose strength quickly in the air due to obstacles like buildings or atmospheric conditions. The next point is about integration of AI and network complexity. What it means. The network will heavily depend on artificial intelligence to manage and optimize operations. What are the challenges it is facing? AI integration across all parts of the network is very complex. These systems need to learn and adapt to changing conditions quickly. This requires powerful AI algorithms and advanced computing setups. What are the solution efforts? These researchers are building scalable AI systems that process data in real time, help networks automatically to adjust to avoid issues like slowdowns or disruptions. The next point is about energy efficiency and environmental impact. What it means. Running a 6G network will require a lot of energy, which could increase the environmental impact of communication technology. The challenge. 6G devices and infrastructure such as base stations need to consume less power. There is a concern about the carbon footprint of 6G due to its massive scale. What are its solutions? Use energy efficient designs for devices and systems, developing AI based energy management systems to reduce waste. The next point is very important as it is risks to privacy and security. What it means. 6G networks will connect a massive number of devices, collect enormous number of data and support critical applications like healthcare and smart cities. What are the challenges? Data security rates, data security risks, privacy concerns, and many more. What are the solution efforts? Quantum safe encryption using advanced encryption methods that even quantum computers cannot break. Privacy enhancements like using of techniques like anonymization and federated learning processing can help sort out these efforts or challenges a lot. What are the ethical issues and governance? What it means. With advanced technologies like AI and surveillance in 6G, there are concerns about fairness, privacy, and control over these technologies are used. What are the challenges? AI systems may make unfair or biased decisions due to faulty programming or incomplete data. The next challenge is about mixed use of technology. Tools like surveillance systems could be misused to monitor people without their consent. What are the solution efforts? Transparent policies. Governments need to clear the rules on how technologies of 6G can be used. The next point is about exorbitant expenses for development and deployment. So, what it means. Building a 6G network is incredibly expensive because it requires advanced infrastructures like satellites, base stations, and high technology devices. What are the challenges it is facing? It is facing high cost challenge, unequal access, as poor regions might not be able to afford 6G, increasing the digital divide. What are the solution efforts? Public private partnerships like governments and private companies can share the cost, step by step deployment, start in high demand areas and expand gradually. The next point is about environmental issues. Okay, so what it means operating 6G networks could harm the net environment if not managed sustainably. What is the challenge? The first one is about energy use. running large scale systems may require more power, which can gradually increase the greenhouse gas emissions. So, use renewable energy to power networks. The next point is about integration complexity. 6G networks will integrate many advanced technologies such as AI, Internet of Things, quantum communication, and RAS. What are the challenges? System complexity, compatibility issues, scalability problems. And the solutions are modular network designs and digital twins. The next one is about prospects for the development of 6G. So, prospects for the development of 6G. It is about facilitating applications of future healthcare transformation. Okay, what it means 6G will revolutionize healthcare by enabling advanced medical applications that were not possible before. What are its key benefits? Wearable devices and its remote surgeries, faster diagnostics, secure data sharing. Why it matters 6G will improve healthcare access, especially for people in the remote areas, and enhance the quality of treatment. The next one is about overcoming the digital gap. 6G will make high speed internet and advanced technologies accessible to everyone, including people in the remote or underserved areas, global connectivity, affordable access, and improved opportunities. Why it matters. Bridging the digital gap will promote social equality and create opportunities for people worldwide. The next point is about green initiatives and sustainability. Advanced sensing capabilities will enable accurate environmental assessments, enabling proactive responses to climate change. 6G enabled IoT devices can monitor and mitigate urban heat islands by dynamically adjusting energy consumption and sharing solutions. What are the innovations and economic growths? What it means 6G technology will drive new inventions and boost economic progress across industries. What are its key benefits? Smart cities and industries. In supports for the startups and in advanced services like real time data processing will enable businesses to offer highly personalized and efficient services. What are the research and development advancements? What it means developing 6G will push research forward in many fields like AI, quantum computing, and material sciences. The key benefits include new discoveries, global collaboration, open innovation like testbeds and shared platforms will allow more people to participate in 6G research, improve disaster management and public safety. 6G will enhance how we prepare for and respond to disasters, keeping people safe during emergencies. The key benefits include early warning systems, real time communication, autonomous drones, public engagement. Why it matters. These improvements can save lives, reduce damage, and ensure a faster recovery after disasters. The next point is about international 6G research and development initiatives. What it means. Developing 6G is a global effort with countries, industries, and researchers working together to create advanced technologies and set international standards. What are the initiatives for regional research and development? The first one is in North America. So, what is happening there? NextG Alliance. This group units government agencies, companies, and universities to develop 6G in the US and Canada. It focuses on the areas like terahertz communication, AI driven network optimization, and spectrum sharing strategies. Let's move to Europe now. What is happening here? So, 6G IA and Horizon Europe, these programs focus on energy efficient hardware, green communication, and smart manufacturing. Pilot projects testing 6G in applications like smart cities, healthcare, and disaster management. Asia Pacific. What is happening here? So, in China, leading in Terahertz communication, AI driven automation in Japan, investing in secure quantum communication and next generation sensing technologies. South Korea developing satellite based 6G systems from seamless low latency communications collaboration. These countries are working together to standardize 6G technology and ensure it's scalable for global use. What are the platforms for collaboration and testbeds for development? What it means. Collaboration platforms and testbeds allow researchers worldwide to share ideas, test technologies, and improve 6G systems together. What are the essential domains of development? The first one is complex network structure. 6G networks will use advanced and flexible designs to handle billions of connected devices and ensure smooth communication in dense environment. What are the key features? Decentralized architectures. Instead of relying on one central system, 6G will use multiple smaller systems working together, making the network more efficient and reliable. Green communication and sustainability. 6G aims to reduce its environmental impact by using eco-friendly designs and renewable energy. As the strategies it follows are energy efficient devices, dynamic energy models, renewable energy sources, RIS technology, and etc. Practical prototyping and implementation techniques. Prototypes and real world testing will help redefine 6G technologies before large scale deployment. What are the key efforts? Early pilots. Testing 6G in smart cities and rural areas to assess real world challenges and applications like autonomous vehicles, healthcare, and immersive communication. Advanced projects like incorporating AI, RIS, and blockchain to tackle issues like resource management and cybersecurity. What are the 6G effects on multidisciplinary industries? So, innovations in healthcare. 6G will revolutionize healthcare by improving how we monitor, diagnose, and treat patients. Its key benefits include real time monitoring, precision surgery, early disease detection, telemedicine. So, why it matters? 6G will make healthcare more accessible, efficient, and personalized for everyone. The next point is industrial IoT, or we can say as Internet of Things. 6G will connect machines, sensors, and systems in industries to improve efficiency and reduce downtime. Its key benefits include predictive maintenance. AI powered systems will monitor machines and predict problems before they happen, saving time and money. Why it matters? Industries will become more efficient, cost effective, and environmental friendly. Augmented reality and mixed reality is the next point. 6G will enable highly realistic virtual and augmented experiences for learning, work, and entertainment. Its key benefits include education, entertainment, work collaboration. So, why it matters? These technologies will make education, entertainment, and global collaboration more exciting and accessible. Deep sea connectivity and space exploration. So, to summarize it, we can say that 6G will expand communication capabilities to deep oceans and space. Deep sea monitoring, sensors, and underwater vehicles will collect data for marine research, resource management, and disaster prevention, such as tsunami warnings. Why it matters? 6G will unlock new possibilities for studying and managing remote areas on Earth and beyond. What are the interfaces between brains and computer? BCI. BCIs will allow humans to control devices directly using their thoughts, enabled by 6G's fast and accurate communication. What are the key benefits? The key benefits include healthcare, the entertainment, cognitive enhancement. Why it matters? BCIs will create life changing opportunities for people with disabilities and open new frontiers in human machine interaction. What are the mission critical services or MCS? These are the essential services that must work without failure during emergencies or disasters, and 6G will ensure they operate reliably. What are the key benefits? The key benefits include in emergency responses, autonomous drones, public safety. Why it matters? 6G will save lives by improving disaster management and public safety during critical situations. What are the prospective research paths in 6G? The first one is about terahertz communication and spectrum utilization. What it means, terahertz communication is a key technology for 6G, using very high frequency waves to send data and at extremely high speed. What are the challenges it is facing? These are very sensitive and can be blocked by the things like ears and walls. So scientists are working on the ways to improve their range and efficiency. Integration of machine learning and artificial intelligence. A key component of 6G technology or 6G development is AI driven network management. Real time analytics and machine learning models customized for edge computing will improve decisions making and optimizing network performance in dynamic environments. The next one is about RIS. As we have studied earlier, AI for adaptive beamforming will address issues in energy consumption and signal optimization. RAS technologies will revolutionize wireless environments by enabling dynamic control over signal propagation. The next one is about green communication and sustainability. It is a front foot of 6G research due to increasing demand for eco-friendly networks. Future research will create eco-friendly manufacturing processes, renewable power-based stations, and energy-efficient devices additionally. What are the dispersed networks and multi-access edge computing MEC? Research will develop MEC systems to meet the needs of latency-sensitive applications, allowing for localized processing and a reduction in backhaul congestion. What are the prototypes and advanced use cases? With a focus on autonomous systems, immersive holographic communication, brain-computer interfaces, and intelligent urban infrastructure, future research will continue to validate 6G applications through real-world pilots. The next point is about framework for ethics and governance. Research will create frameworks to regulate data privacy, inclusivity, and the responsible use of AI in decision making. International cooperation will guarantee fair access and strong governance standards as 6G networks become more integrated into everyday life. In the direction of 6G networks. After 6G, researchers are already thinking about 7G. It is expected to be even more advanced network with the features like beyond terahertz frequencies, brain computer interfaces, global integration. Then what are the challenges it would face? 6G will require massive investments in research, new materials, and innovative technologies. It will also take decades to develop. What are the 6G systems performance objectives? So 6G has ambitious goals to outperform 5G by a huge margin. Some key objectives are ultra fast data speeds, low latency, massive connectivity, energy efficiency, global coverage, and AI integration. Next point is about international collaboration and opportunities. What it means, developing 6G is a global effort. Countries, companies, and researchers are working together to ensure. What to ensure? Standardization, like creating global rules so 6G technologies work seamlessly worldwide. And what are the key players? Organizations like IEEE and ITU are leading efforts to set guidelines, while regional programs like North America's NextG Alliance and Europe's HexaX and Asia's IMT 2030 are testing and developing 6G technologies. Conclusion. What it means. 6G represents a leap forward in wireless communication with its focus on transforming industries like healthcare, education, and entertainment, bridging the digital divide by bringing connectivity to remote areas, supporting sustainability through an energy efficient designs. What are the challenges to overcome? Issues like energy consumption, ethical governance, and technological integration need to be addressed for 6G to reach its full potential. In conclusion, 6G technology is not just an evolution but a revolution in the world of wireless communication. It promises to bridge the digital divide, transform industries, and create a more sustainable, inclusive, and connected future. While challenges like energy efficiency and ethical governance remain, global collaborations and ongoing research pave the way for overcoming them. So it's all about the topic. Thank you for all your time and attention. It was an honor to share my insights on this exciting topic with you.